I'm making a stand for wooden rattles. While I'm making it, I'm thinking and feeling a lot of grief about my story of woodworking. Kind of like I'm running dry while I'm thinking of it, but I used to love woodworking. It's what I did since I was a kid. And I just remember I had a very violent parents. And one day they burned all of my woodworking stuff. All of my guns, everything, all of my wooden guns. And I don't know why, but my dad sometimes just hated me so much. Deep down, I know that he loved me. But like, I remember him beating me, telling me to fight back. I remember when he burned all my stuff, he just came into the room. I thought I was going to get the crap beat out of me, but instead he just went and burned all my things. Now I'm here in a basement making wooden things